Vendor activities. Vendor activities lets project users specify and add action notes to vendors during the tender process, for example, if the vendor misses important meetings or conference calls. To create a new vendor activity, click the Vendor Activities submenu under the Administration main menu. Click the Add button, enter a vendor activity, then click Save. Add multiple activities to create an activity library. To link an activity to a vendor, expand the vendor section in any tender phase, click the vendor activity icon, then click the Add New Activity button. Enter an action detail. Amount if needed, select an action type that was just created, an optional attachment, then click the Insert button. The vendor activity will then be added to the list. As well as stored in the individual tender, all activities are also stored in the External User Manager Vendor Activities tab, for future reference.